In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an album cover art using Photoshop. You can download the images in the description down below to follow along. Choose the ellipse tool and draw a circle like so. Right-click and choose Stroke Path. Select Brush. Right-click and choose Blending Options. Add a color overlay. Add an outer glow. Create a new layer. Press B and choose a soft round brush. Pick a saturated blue and follow the process. Change the blending mode to linear dodge. Reduce the fill. Select both layer and press Ctrl G to group them. Select the background. Go to Select and choose Subject. Select the group layer, hold Alt, and add a layer mask. Select these two layers and press Ctrl J to duplicate them. Press Ctrl T and adjust the size. Hold Ctrl and click on the layer mask. Go to Select and choose Inverse. Select the bottom layer and press Ctrl J. Add a hue and saturation adjustment layer. Click on Colorize and copy these settings. Don't forget to create a clipping mask. Press Ctrl I to invert the mask. Press B and choose a soft round brush. Lower the flow, set the foreground color to white, and follow the process. Select the top layer and bring the sky to your main project. Change the blending mode to screen. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter, Blur and choose Gaussian Blur. Add a layer mask. Press B to select the brush tool and follow the process. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Also, check out other videos on my channel. Thank you for your support.